Hi guys, so yeah, basically I just like to share this with you guys. It's a Suzuki Swift. So customer dropped the clutch and bumped into a brick wall. So this is what it looks like. So the bumper's damaged, lights damaged, grills damaged, and yeah, so this is gonna be kind of repair on the budget. So we'll be replacing the light and the grill, but we'll be fixing the bumper with plastic welding. So as I go along, I'll keep you guys updated, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the progress so far. If you can remember, the bumper was totally destroyed, scrapped into pieces. So it's back together again. It's been joined with staples. All these joints here, they've got staples inside them to keep them strong, and they've also been reinforced from the backside. There is still a little bit of work left, a little bit of heating there with the heat gun just to fix it a bit more. But other than that, it's looking good. So next step will obviously be sanding it down and applying a layer of body filler just to get everything nice and even. Alright. Hi guys, so this is basically the last coat of filler. Just have to sand it down a bit. But yes, it's what you're working with. So I have to say it myself, job well done. Looks perfect. Okay, so we're back again guys. So yeah, this is stage 1 of this 2-stage pull. It has been painted. So yeah, it still needs a bit of work. But yes, it's stage 1. Looking good. Morning guys, so yeah, the next morning again, I've painted the 2nd stage pearl, and so far 2 coats of pure. So it's looking good, and I'll keep you guys updated. It's on the car. That's it. Hope you guys liked it. And yeah, this is how to DIY repair your own car on a budget. Alright guys, so that's it for the Suzuki. It's been completely repainted. Bumpers new on a budget. So yes, only a few small touch-ups, polishing, whatever not as soon as the paint is dried a bit. But yeah, that's it. Job well done.